So let's do the plating. Hi everyone! The recipe that I'm going to share with you now is called Korean jjampong. Have you seen my previous video? If you have seen my previous video, which was I was cooking a udong and jjampong are quite similar. Most of its ingredients are quite same, but there are three differences between the two. One is oil. Second is stir fry. Third is chili powder. So without further ado, let's do this Korean spicy food cook challenge. So here are the ingredients for our jjampong. This is cabbage, carrot, white onion, Chinese radish, spring onions. These are essentials. Next is, this is optional. If you have it in your fridge, you can use them. This is Thailand pichay, mushroom, another kind of mushroom, and chives. And also, we have seafoods, squid, octopus, and shrimp. Also, we have here black pepper, salt, our oyster sauce, some seasonings, and also our chicken cube, and the chili powder. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do the cooking. Now, let's start to chop our vegetables. I'll start with a Chinese radish. Set aside. Next is the cabbage. Carrot. Next is white onion. Spring onion. Next is our chives. Let's set our wok. Let's add oil. We need to set our oil into very high temperature. Then we're going to add our spring onion and the white onion. Stir fry. Well, next, we are going to add our vegetables. Then stir fry. Now we are going to add our chili powder. And here. Add a little of water to avoid our chili powder to burn. We are going to add soy sauce. Add some black pepper and water. We are going to add chicken cube and our seasoning. Magic syrup. And also we are going to add oyster sauce. And I'm going to garnish some of my vegetables. Now we're going to add our seafoods. Wow, it's looking good. I'm going to taste it. And our cook is done. Let's turn off the heat. Let's do the plating. I'm going to use a dry noodles this time for our jjampong. I already heated, it's already boiling our water. I'm going to blanch the noodles. So our noodles are done, so we have to rinse it with water. So let's do the plating. Oh. Now let's do the taste test. This is the best jjampong ever. You know, no bias.
Nom 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 nom.
I forgot. It's really spicy, guys, but it's so flavorful and very yummy. Very soft. You know, I've tasted jjampong in many kinds of many restaurants, but this one is the best. Homemade is really the best. So I hope you guys will try it to cook at home, because this is really good. And I hope again you have learned how to cook this Korean jjampong. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.